This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roy Gilbertsen. Views to die for. New professional pics and drone video. Brand new construction. High-end fixtures, finishes and quality construction built by the hands of an absolute craftsman of a contractor. 2 spacious bedrooms with 2 full glamour bathrooms, both having beautiful tile showers and high-quality fixtures. Maytag appliances, leathered granite countertops and high-quality custom cabinetry adorn the magnificent and well-appointed kitchen with an island. Rough sawn floors on the main level with crown molding on all the doors and windows, as well as built-in bookcases in the family room. Spend cool nights on the deck admiring the long-range views and enjoying a drink by the outdoor fireplace. Fully finished basement that has 1 spacious bedroom and full bath with a walkout patio with a hookup for a hot tub. The basement's open area is perfect for your man cave or entertainment and game systems. There is also a bonus room for storage or closet space, video games or bunk beds. The builder will make this room how you want it. Also rare in Cherry Lake is a usable and gentle yard. Fence in for a pet-friendly rental or just let the kids actually play outside. No details have been neglected in this unique custom cabin. Do not miss this opportunity. Cherry Lake homes sell fast and are very rentable. Check out the video at https://vimeo.com 1087279076A991D6BC22 ? Share equals copy for more information. Review the details.